Alright, welcome back to Big Ideas Math. We are on Chapter 6, Lesson 6, use partial quotients to divide by two-digit numbers. So looking back, use an area model to find the quotient. So 180, each of these rows represents how many? 10. So if I have 180, how many rows do I need to shade in? Easton? 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Perfect. So 180 divided by 10 is what?
180 divided by 10 is 18.
18. Thank you. All right, I'm going to switch out markers quick. This one's not doing so hot. I think it's time. All right, use an area model to find 180 divided by 15. Explain how you solved. Do I ever make you use the area model? No. Sometimes the area model might not make the best sense. So let's start with the number 180. I'm going to put it in a bracket like we normally do. Can 15 go into 1? Nope. So I'll put a little X right there. Can 15 go into 18?
Yes.
Yes. How many times? Once. So then I'll put 15 with a 0 on the end here. What's 180 minus 150? Carson? 30. And Carson, how many times can 15 fit into 30? 2 times. So what's my answer? Yep, so minus 30. I'm left with 0. I have 0 and I used all my whole digits up here, so my answer must be 12. You do not need to explain how you found it. I'd rather you stick with a method that you know and understand. All right. Oh, look what they did. This looks familiar, doesn't it? What on earth?
Can we just
I know what it did. You ready? How many times can 16 fit into 17? Easton? Once. So I'm going to do 1 times 16 is 16 with a 0 on the end. What's 160 divided by 16? Easton?
according to my calculations, that is 100.
Thank you. 10. Good answer. All right. 176 minus 160 is 16. Guys, how many times can 16 fit into 16? Ryan? Once. 1 times 16 is going to be 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. What's 16 divided by 16? Ryan? 1. And 10 plus 1 is 11. See how they did this, but they just did it off to the side instead? The 10's place and the 1's place. They just put it off to the side. It's the same thing we've been doing. So your answer should be 11. Number 2. We have 182 divided by 13. Can 13 fit into 1? No. Can 13 fit into 18?
Yeah.
Yes, raise your hand. How many times? Carly? Once. 13 with a 0 on the end. What's 130 divided by 13, Carly?
10.
10. It's just 13 with a 0 on the end. All right, equals 52. How many times can 13 fit into 52? Orion? 4. Let's try it. 4 times 13. Remember how we have to guess numbers sometimes? 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. Perfect. It fits perfectly. So 52 minus 52 is 0, but 52 divided by 13 is 4. So our top answer is 14. All this side thing is doing is the same thing we do up here. It's okay if you want to do the side version instead, but it's a lot easier for me to use this. You choose what's best for you to do. All right. Next up, we have number 3, 204 divided by 17. I'm going to rewrite it in a bracket. Step number 1, rewrite it in a bracket. Can 17 fit in 2? No. Can 17 fit in 20?
Yes.
How many times?
Once.
1 times 17 is 17. 204 minus 170 is going to be 34. How many times can 17 fit into 34, everyone?
12.
Nick.
How many times 17 can fit into 44?
34.
34. It would be 3 times. Oh, 2?
Yep, twice. So to put it this way, 15 plus 15 is 30, right?
Oh, what did you say? Oh, 17. I thought you said 70.
Okay, yep. So 17 fits into 34 twice. So I'll put a 2 up here. 17 times 2 is 34. 34 minus 34 is 0. I used all my whole numbers. That means my answer is 12. Please make sure you're not copying just the answer down, but also the work, because that is how you will know what to do. If you are just copying answers down, you'll have no idea what to do when the time comes to work on it. All right, next up. I have 224 divided by 16. Can 16 fit into 2? No. Can 16 fit into 22? Yes, once. So 1 times 16 is 16 with a 0 on the end. So I know from 160 to get to 200 I need 40. So 40 plus 24 is going to be 64. And how many times do we think 16 can fit into 64? 16 is about 15, and it takes 4 15s to get to 60. So let's see if 4 times 16 does it. 4 times 6 is 24. Bring over 2. 2 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 is 64. Nice. 4 times 16 is 64. Do I have a 0? Yes.
For the interruption, but temporarily we will be having inside recess. If that changes, I will let everyone know. Thank you.
All right.
Not forever.
Back with me in 5, 4, 3. Did I get a 0?
Yeah.
Yes. Did I use all my whole numbers?
Yes.
Yes. I have a number above each number, so therefore my answer should be 14. Next, I have 225 divided by 15, so I'm going to set it up with a bracket again. Oop, I can see I'm not in a great spot. There we go. 225 divided by 15. Can 15 fit into 2? Can 15 fit into 2?
No.
Heck no. Can 15 fit into 22?
Yes.
Yes, one time. 150. So 225 minus 150. So I know for a fact, right, that there's only 50 more to get from 150 to 200. So that's 50 plus 25. Carson. Yep, 75. Good job. 75 is what's left over. And then, so 2 15s makes a 30, right? If I want to double that, Brinley, how many 15s am I using? If I want to get to 60, how many 15s am I using? 4. And then what's 75 minus 60? Look at that. I can fit one more in. So how many 5s am I how many 15s am I using? Good. You're using 5 15s. 5 times 15 is going to be 75. Am I left with a 0?
Yes.
Yes. Did I use all of my whole numbers?
Yes.
Yes, my answer should be 15. Good. All right, looking at the bottom of the page, I'm going to try to scoot this down a little. There we go. Let's let it clear up just a little bit. Let's make this easy on you. Notice the next two numbers we're working with are 190 and 19. Carson, tell me what's weird about this.
Well, all you're doing is just adding a 0 and sending 5.
So 19 times 10 is 190. So what's 190 divided by 19? Perfect. Yep. Make it easy on you. It's just a 0. All right, 414 divided by 18. Oh, dear. Oh, boy. All right. 18 is almost 20, right? So, can 18 fit into 4?
Yes.
No.
Easton, tell me how 18 fits into 4. You can't. Aha. Okay. 18 cannot fit into 4, but 18 can fit into 41. How many times can 18 fit into 41? How many times can 18 fit into 41? Brentley. Twice. Very good. And Brentley, what is 2 times 18? 36 with a 0 on the end. So 360 to get to 400, how much more do I need? Ryan. 40. Good. So 40 plus 14 is? Finley. 40 plus 14. Yep, it's just going to be 54. And then how many times can 18 fit into 54? Brentley. 3. Remember, 8 times 3 is 24, so this seems right. So I'm going to multiply over here just to make sure. 8 times 3 is 24. 1 times 3 is 3, plus 2 is 5. Good. So that's for sure 23. Good. All right, last one on this page before we move on to our next practice page. We have 403 divided by 13. Wow, what a number. All right. Can 13 fit in 4?
No.
No. Can 13 fit in 40?
Yes.
Jace, how many times?
3 times.
3 times? Let's see. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. Yep. 39 is the closest I'm going to get. So 3 times 13 is going to be 39. Put a 0 on the end. 390 takes 10 more to get to 100. And there's 3 left over. So what's left over? Ryan. Not quite. So let me show you here. 390 is only 10 away from 400, right? So 10 plus that extra 3 is how many left over? Yes, Carson. Yes, it is 13. So how many times can 13 fit into 13? Once. Did I use all my whole numbers? Did I have a 0? 13 minus 13. Do I have a 0?
Yes.
Yes. So what's my answer?
31.
31. Good. Because it's what's sitting up here. That's what gives me my answer. All right. Move on to page 255. Let's give the gecko a hat. Draw a hat for your gecko. Take a break to go ahead and draw your gecko a pretty little hat of some sort. You choose what kind.
Lizard. It's a gecko.
I'll give him a lizard button.
Lizard.
There we go.
Oh, lizard button.
All right, lizard has a hat on. Okay, we are going to go up to number 10. 12 times what equals 180? Easton, what do you think it is?
I think it is 10.
You think it's 10? 12 times 10 is 180?
No. Oh.
I think we should try 16.
Yes.
Should we try 16? Brentley, what do you think it is? Let's try 15. I like what Brentley said. Because I know, so like Easton said, I know 12 times 10 is 180. So it has to be bigger than 10, but it's less than 20 because that'd be 240. So I'm going to try 15. 12 times 15. One times 5 is 5, plus 1 is 6. 10's place. Oh yeah, good job, Brentley. Oh yeah. All right, connected to the other one that has the same numbers in it. 180 divided by 12 would be 15. Because remember, it goes both ways. What times 18 is 180? Ryan. 10, good. It's what puts a 0 on the end. So 180 divided by 10 is also going to be 18. These two must match then, so what's my other number? 12 times 18 equals... Nick? 212? Is it 212? Let's check. 12 times 18. 8 times 2 is 16. I'm gonna carry the 1, but it's heavy. 1 times 8 is 8 plus 1 is 9. Moving on to the tens place, I'm putting down a placeholder 0. I really hope we're not distracting others who might be struggling with math right now. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. Add them up, we got 6. We got 11. Carry the 1, and now we got 2. It is 216. Good. Fill in the blanks.
You said 200.
Oh well.
Figured out I mixed it up.
You were very close though, so good job calculating that. So I have 320 divided by 20, or I have 450 divided by 45. I know this one is 10. So 20 times 10 is what? Easton.
20 times 10, according to my calculations, is 210. Wait.
It'd be 200. Good. All right. So is this number going to be bigger or smaller than 10? Ryan, bigger or smaller? Bigger. This one. I have 450 divided by 90. Remember my trick? If there's a 0 on both sides, what's 45 divided by 9? Easton.
5.
5. This side is 5. 420 divided by 35. What am I supposed to do? How do I figure this out, somebody? I want you to look at this. We should be copying down everything on the screen right now. Thank you. Ryan, how do we figure this out? Are you ready for me to make your life really easy? What's 35 times 10? 350. Is this bigger or smaller than 350? So this number is going to be bigger than 10. All right. Flip to the word problems on the back. All right. You are tiling a rectangular floor. The area of the floor is 288 square feet. The width is 16 feet. What is the length of the floor? What am I doing? Somebody, I need this explained to me because I don't know what to do. I think Lyra can tell me what I'm supposed to do for number 17. So I know that area equals length times width. $288 divided by 16. Okay. Now what do I do? Can the 16 fit into a 2? No. That's funny. Can 16 fit into 28? How many times? Once. 160. Means I have 40 left to get to 200, and then 40 plus 88 is going to be 128. And how many times can 16 fit into 128? No idea. Is there anybody else that would like to help Lyra out here? Easton.
So wait, what am I doing?
16. How many times can it go into 128? Go ahead and round it. I think that'll help you.
So 16 would be 20.
What's a number it's closer to? That's pretty easy. 15.
And then that would be 30.
So 15 times 2 makes 30. How many sets of 15 do you need to go into 30? 2 15s fit into 130, and then how many 3s do you need for 12? 3 times what is 12?
4.
4. So then what's 2 times 4?
8.
Let's try 8 times 16. Funny how that works sometimes. That should be 18 feet. So remember, 16 is close to 15. 15 makes up half of 30, and 3 goes into 12. So 30 would go into 120 because it's still just 3 going into 12 with a 0 on the end. All right, number 18. A typical soccer field has a playing area of 9,000 square yards and a width of 75 yards. 9,000 divided by 75. 75 cannot go into 9. 75 can go into 90 one time. I don't want to do long way this time. So let's go ahead and do 15 here.
We can't see.
Oh, sorry. Glad you said that. There you go. 15 drop down to 0. 75 fits into 150 twice. I have a 0. Am I done?
Yes.
Double check. Did I use all my whole numbers?
Yep.
No. I forgot about this 0. And 75 fits into 0 times. So my answer is 120 yards. Alright. It's just the same division we've been doing the whole time. There's just 2 or 3 ways to do it. Whichever way makes the most sense to you is what you should be doing. I love how focused everyone is. Alright. 11 is dividing 165. I love that they set this up for us already. So, can 11 fit into 1?
No.
No. Can 11 fit into 16? How many times? Once. 11 times 1 is 11 with the 0 on the end. So 110 divided by 11 is? 10. Ends up being 44 when you subtract them. How many times can 11 go into 44? Alexis, how many times can 11 go into 44? 4 times. So 4 times 11 ends up being 44. 44 minus 44 is 0. And 44 divided by 11 is 4. So 10 plus 4 should be 14. Or you can use the method on the top like I do. Whichever way gets you the answer you like. You are doing number 2. We're doing number 4 and number 6. I will do number 3 and number 5 with you.
Can you cross out this?
Yeah, you do not have to use the model like this. 156 divided by 13. I'm going to put it in a bracket. That's the best way of doing it. 13 cannot fit into 1. 13 can fit into 15 once. 1 times 13 is going to be 13 with a 0 on the end. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. How many times can 13 fit into 26? Ryan? Twice. That's 26. Do I have a 0?
Yes.
Did I use all my whole numbers?
Yeah.
Yes, so my answer is 12. Move on to number 5. Carson. You can just answer it if you feel more confident in that. I just want you to understand that this is where we get the tens place from, and this is where we get the ones from when we do it up here. It's the same thing, we're just writing it in a different spot. Alright, 323 divided by 19. Can 19 fit into 3?
No.
No! Can 19 fit into 32?
Yes.
How many times?
One.
Once. If I did it twice, it'd be 38. Because 19 plus 19, 9 plus 9 is going to be 8. Carry the 1 over. 2 plus 2 is 2. No, 1 plus 1 is 2, plus that 1 is 3. So 38 would be our answer if you did two 19s. 119, so I'm dropping it down and subtracting. 3 minus 0 is still 3. 12 minus 9 is still 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. How many times can 19 fit into 133? Remember, 19 is almost 20. Ryan, what do you think? Alright, so let's say 6. Let's start with 6. 19 times 6. Remember, we have to do little trials off to the side. That's very normal, even for a teacher. 9 times 6 is 54. Carry the 5. Some of you are not writing with me, and that's what this time is for. Thank you. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 5 is 11. I know sometimes it can be boring, but this is what's really important to be able to learn. Is this 133? No, I need to do one more then.
Pardon the interruption, but outdoor recess has resumed.
Is this 133?
Yes.
How many 19s did I use?
6.
7. We used 7 of them. So 7 here. For 133, do I have a 0?
Yep.
Yes. Did I use all my whole numbers?
Yes. Yep.
Yes, so my answer should be 17. I'll leave that up for just a minute before we move on to word problems on the back. I look forward to seeing how you guys come up with this and work on this on your own. You guys are doing numbers 8 and 10. And 11. I will do 7 and 9 with you. Alright, the quotient 506 divided by 22 is found using partial quotients. Repeat this strategy using 10 as a first partial quotient. All it did was the same thing we've been doing. So now we need to find 506 minus 220. 6 minus 0 is still 6. 0 minus 2, can't do that, so I gotta borrow from the 5. That becomes a 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, how many times can 22 go into 286? Ryan? Once?
Wait, 22 to go to 286?
Mm-hmm. 286. So what's 22 times 10, for example?
220.
So let's do 220. And it was multiplied by 10. So yes, it fits into 22 once, but we put that in the 10 spot. So then 286 minus 220 is going to be 660. And how many times can 22 go into 66? Nick?
It can go under 3 times.
3 times. 3 times 22 is 66. We get a 0. And 66 divided by 22 is 3. So the answer should be 23. I don't like how they did this one because notice how they already took out a 10 for us. Yeah, that's not the best way of doing things. That's why I wanted to do this one with you. All right, a coral reef is roughly rectangular. What's the first thing I'm going to do? Easton.
80 divided by 1,600.
Nope, it said it's rectangular, so I'm going to draw a rectangle. It is 80 meters long and has an area of 1,600 square meters. How wide is the reef? So 1,600 divided by 80, because remember, area is length times width. And there's a 0 on both sides. What can I do? Finley, what can I do if there's a 0 on both sides? I'm on number 9. There's a 0 on the outside of the bracket and on the inside, so what can I do? You can cross it out. on both sides. Just one because there's only one on both sides. Can 8 fit into 1? No. Can 8 fit into 16?
Yes.
Yes, twice. 2 times 8 is 16 with a 0 on the end. Do I have a 0?
Yes.
Did I use all my whole numbers?
No.
No, there's still a 0 here that I did not use. There's nothing above it. So, how many times can 8 fit into 0? 0 times. That's it. All right, thank you for focusing today. Good job working with me.